Open Verse Challenge.
The South African National Defence Force has announced the 14 names of the fallen soldiers who died during the recent battle with M23 rebels in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Southern African leaders held a SADC extraordinary summit in Harare, Zimbabwe yesterday to discuss the crisis in the DRC.
Lezizama sosha, lezizama sosha, lezizama sosha, lezizama sosha, lezizama sosha. Biza bo captain, sonki skim sam sambanami. Biza bo captain, sonki skim sam sambanami. Lezizama sosha, lezizama sosha. Socialam. Lezizama sosha, lezizama sosha.